What's up, guys? My name is Brandon. You can also call me Simmerex. Welcome to the new channel here where I'm going to be doing some trading. I don't know how many people are going to come. It's always a little nerve-wracking starting a new channel on our first stream, but been watching things this morning. We're going to be trading in the trade the pool. Um, oh shoot, valuation account. So I was doing some real like money trades in Robinhood, which is a small account. It's got like 148 something account balance in it. So first thing I'm watching here, which we're probably going to get into first, is SoFi. Where'd it go? I'm Moo up here because their charts are nice. So SoFi has been on a pretty good rip up this morning. It's kind of making a little down right now, but they beat earnings considerably, so a lot of people are excited about it. We're going to also be trading. Well, let's see. Tesla's a little up. Nvidia we could possibly short. Palantir we could possibly short. Intel was nice to me yesterday. We could possibly short that one. What else we got going on here? Him and hers. I'm gonna leave that alone. That seems like a bunch of hype. And then these little penny stocks, we're gonna leave those shits alone too. We're not into any gap and go. Probably be trend continuation this morning is what we're looking at. So we're gonna bring up Robinhood and start there. Just hide Moo. We're probably gonna go in SoFi when it gives us an entry. When it gives us an entry. Do 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 do. Get my chat over here so I can see it in case somebody does join in and say hi. There were some people on some of my other channels were kind of interested in what I was gonna do over here. So we're gonna watch this SoFi on Robinhood for a minute. For Trade the Pool, which is a prop funding firm, I'm doing the evaluation for. I'll show that to you real quick. I'm not sure where we're going to focus today. We might, like I said, definitely probably focus on Tesla. It's been on a pretty nice run up here past few hours. We're not going to get into anything on Trade the Pool until the market actually opens. Because, like I said, this is an evaluation, so I am trying to take it seriously. And so far, I've done pretty good with it the past few days. It would be cool to be, funded by those guys over there. Their platform's nice. They use Trader Revolution as the platform they run. It's really nice. It's really snappy and really fast. All right, so let's jump over here to Robinhood. We'll probably get in on some SoFi here in a minute. Probably get in on some SoFi. Give us an entry. I'm gonna let it kind of slow burn down here a little bit before it gets a pop. So we might not get into it until after market opens in about a half an hour. So let's see. Yeah, we were on a nice, like it's been on a rip this morning since earnings, since about 7 o'clock. Yeah, it kind of was a little bit of excitement, a little bit of depression there. And then I think when the time they announced earnings were beat some other good news, the call's still going on. I don't really intend on listening in on it. I'm not going to hold this long time. I'm just going to try to day trade it, see if we can get a nice little run up on it, get out of it. Or a big run. I'll take a big run too. If it wants to run all day, we'll just trail the stop right up the trend line when it forms. We had this one, and now we got a pretty serious break of structure here. It's possible we're going to find some consolidation right here. Very possible. Oh, where is my coffee? I've got a little drink station here. Well, I've got drinks everywhere. Coffee here. I got Gatorade hanging out. I got some water over there. We're good to go. I don't have any snacks hanging around, but that's okay. I'm not really hungry yet. I'm not really hungry yet. You can pop back over to Moo and check out their. Like I said, I like their charting. I do have $5 in this account. I thought about maybe doing a little challenge with it to see what I can build that up to. We probably won't get into that today. Do, 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 do. I'd love to see Intel pop off again today like it did yesterday. That was nice. I got two solid trades on those. Where's my order book went? Oh, there it is. The order book on Trade the Pool disappeared. I'm like, oh, I ain't good, man. I need that level two data. What are we doing over there? That's my great about Robinhood Legend is a nice platform. There's no level two here. You have to go to Robinhood Classic to get level two data. So that's kind of a yeah, legend. Let's do something about that, please. Let's do something about that. All right, what are we doing? I'm looking for possibly a bounce right there, maybe off of the VWAP or the 200 moving average. We look for a break back up. I'd like to see that MACD more positive, and then we can get in on this for a run. It's going to take a few minutes to shake out, it looks like. But I don't see SoFi going anywhere today. It's already up. What was it? Pre-market, it was up something like 6.3% there, pre-market. So that's not horrible. That's not horrible. I'll take it. Also, it's my dog over here, chilling on the bed because that's what she does. Her name's Simi, and she thinks she has to have all four pillows. Usually, she flips the comforter down and just sprawls out across them. So I'm surprised she's not in that position yet. Do 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 do. All right, let's get back over to the heat list here on Moo and see what's going on. The Tesla had been popping off. It's slightly down now. Once we get to market open, a lot of things will kind of, you know, shake out the dust and we'll know what the hell's going on then. I don't know what's up with him and her. Something about that some other company was going to let them distribute some kind of weight loss drug or something like that. But I missed the whole run up there. It might make it back to that high day, but I don't know. We missed the whole run up on that one right there at the beginning, right there pre market. Pretty nice run though. Somebody made some money there. A lot of people probably made some money there scalping that one. Really don't need that running in the background, do we? There we go. There we go. What else is going on over here on the heat list? I was really kind of curious. Um, Gotta be a smoother way to do that in Moomoo, just to get back to there. Or well, get back to like the market homepage. There it is. Got futures up a little, Nasdaq's a little off. So tech stocks might be a little funky this morning. S&P futures a little down too. Natural gas is up. Futures are up for it. We could also get into crypto trades if we want. Ethereum's looking decent. Cardano's decent. Bitcoin's actually a little bit down right now. Let's see. Get an overview here of what's going on. So here's all these penny stocks. I've about a 50% success rate with these ones, these early morning penny stocks that just take off like a fucking rocket ship. And then they just come back down. That one's LGMK. It's on a big run or had been. Yeah, it's a 3 cent stock or something like that. Or was. You can make nice fat spreads off of these, but man, are they hard to control sometimes. So I stopped fucking with those. So I was fucking with those when I first started day trading, which I'm pretty much, you could call me a beginner, I guess. Um, and I had some pretty big hits, some pretty big losses there. So I was like, you know what? Let's adjust the strategy here a little bit. Oh, okay. Look, SoFi is what do we got going on here? We might be getting an entry on SoFi soon. Again, I think it might not be until after the market actually opens, about 25 minutes or so. It's kind of consolidating. We got pretty flimsy volume on it right now, honestly. Pretty flimsy volume on it at the moment. So we'll go back to what we normally do. This is what I've been doing is I love this heat list that Moo has. You just bring it up and it shows you what things are doing, like big things. So we'll go back to it again. I do think Tesla's one we're going to be possibly watching for a long, although it's kind of on a little bit of a sell off at the moment. Intel maybe for a short because we can get more shares of that. Our trade the pool evaluation is for the $5,000 account. And then we got SoFi over here to watch in Robinhood. I'm very curious what it's about to do. Very curious. So we chilling for a minute. That's all we're doing. We're just chilling. My name's Brandon, by the way. I have a couple other YouTube channels, but this is a new one. It's always awkward, you get that new channel and you go live on it for the first time and you've just been talking to myself for 12 fucking minutes. But it's all good. I knew what I was getting into starting another channel. It's not easy. Sometimes YouTube doesn't know. Well, it doesn't know when you first start. Like, who's this guy? What are they doing? What's the deal here? Who do we give this video to? Who do we give this stream to? It has no fucking clue when you first start. No fucking clue when you first start. All right. Look at the MACD turning to the upside there, but I have a couple rules. I don't like getting in stocks when the Mac for a long, at least when the MACD's down here in the negative, even if it is crossed over, and I don't like getting in for longs if the price is below or the candles are below the 200 EMA, which they're not. That's kind of what we're looking for here. We want to get up, basically, this MACD up positive again. Or if the market opens and we start getting a bunch of big green candles, then or the yellow one here, but you guys know what I mean. Then we'll use that as confirmation. I think what we're going to be looking for there is a breakout above that previous high right there. Move it away from the numbers so you can see a breakout above that right there, which is very possible. And we'll set a stop. If it breaks out there, we'll probably set our initial stop right down here at this low. Right down here at that low, or that, well, previous low. Like I said earlier, we'll just let the stop kind of ride up with it. Kind of ride up with it. What you up to, Tesla? Choppy right now, man. It's hella choppy right now. It had been on a pretty nice run there. But 4 o'clock when the pre-market opened, man, it fucking just gapped right up, way above the previous close. And then it's kind of since then slightly been selling off. Try to make a return, selling off. So we'll see what it does here. Like I said, a lot of things will shake out once the market opens. Amazon's down a bit. Strategy's just kind of chilling. Just kind of chilling. Just kind of consolidating in that range right there. AMD's given me good trades before. It's another one we might short today if it continues to sell off through the day. Or well, through the morning. We're not going to be here all day, obviously, not streaming. Plug power. I don't think I'm interested in that. Bear AI, what that is. Super Microcomputer gave me a pretty good trade last week, Friday. It was pretty solid setup. It was a long. Depending on how things shake out here, though, we might be doing quite a few shorts today, at least in the trade the pool account. Can't do shorts in the Robinhood account. It's a cash account, so there you go. Pardon me. Allergies drive me nuts. Allergies, you driving me nuts. What time is it? 9:11. It's 9:11. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I don't want to get chopped up right as the market opens, though, so I'm being kind of cautious. Because usually, like, as soon as the bell rings, right, there's like these huge candles going both directions. And it'd be pretty easy to get stopped out on accident. So I don't want to get chopped up there. Do, 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 do. Yeah, a lot of the stocks I normally like to long are selling off this morning, so I will be shorting them. That's fine with me. It's fine with me. And even Palantir, a lot of times when the rest of the semiconductors are down, Palantir, a lot of times it's defiant and says, "No, I'm going up anyway, bitch." It is not this morning. It's down almost a whole percent pre-market. So I think I've had enough coffee. I'm fucking bouncy, guys. Sorry. I think that's enough coffee for now. I had to eat something soon to absorb some of that shit, man. I start feeling like a fucking cracked out chicken. Yes, for anybody that comes from the other channel, you get the same stupid sense of humor you get on those other channels as well. All right, so far, what are you doing? A little consolidating. Do, 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 do. A little consolidating, a little sideways movement. Probably calm before the storm here. Hopefully it's a good storm. Hopefully it's a let's bang this bitch up to, oh, I don't know, 15 or $16 a share would be amazing. I doubt it, but hey, it could happen. It could happen. And of course, there's a possibility that earning call ends, all the excitement dies down, and just kind of goes flat for the rest of the day. We'll see. Hi, Liv. What's up? How are you, sweetie? Oh yeah, it's fun kicking my ass, girl. I've been up since 6, just chugging this shit. How you doing, hon? Been here talking to myself for quite a while. I mentioned a regular viewer from the other channel, and well, one of the other channels, both of them actually, and there you are. So we're just kind of chilling, watching things, seeing how shit's shaking up here, man. How things are shaping up this morning. How's your day going? Or night? What fucking time is it where you're at? 'Cause you're like 14 hours ahead of me, aren't you? Or 12 hours or something like that. Anyway, I'm glad somebody popped in. I was talking to myself for a fucking hot minute. That's what sucks about starting a new stream is, and I think this is why people give up because they're not okay just sitting there just talking. I'm like, you just gotta talk, man. You just gotta talk because it's all you never want to go into a stream and you just see someone there sitting there in awkward silence playing Minecraft. And I see the stock traders all the time. They'll just be sitting there, they're not saying anything. And I'm like, bro, he's personality around his biatch. It is nighttime there. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm glad you took some of your night to stop in, Liv. It's looked like it might be a day to do shorts in the trade the pool account. A lot of things is down. Watching SoFi over here in the Robinhood account. It just had a earning. It beat earnings estimates today, so we are watching it. We're probably going to jump in on some of that. Waiting for it to get. I like to see it break above this previous high, but I would take some other confirmation. I'm definitely, you know me, I'm waiting for that MACD to get back positive. I hate going in trades when that MACD's negative. I mean, it's open, but it's just still below the line there. We want a big bull run on SoFi. That's what we want. A big fucking bull run on SoFi. On Live, I don't think you've seen the Trade the Pool platform yet, have you? Here's what it looks like. It's a pretty nice little system. Can't see all of it because I'm on the vertical, but kind of got the important stuff there, the chart, and then the order buttons. And this is where I usually go through. There's lots of ways you can trade. You can do it with your mouse. You can set up hotkeys. I like to go through these order buttons over here. Set my take profit, stop loss off before I get in. We're watching Tesla on there right now. I would love to get some more hot trades on Intel like yesterday, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Maybe shorts, but dude, Intel was fucking banging it out yesterday. I'm glad you stopped by, Liv. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I was planning on, and I'm glad somebody stopped by. Was this first half hour is just supposed to be basically eyeballing trades, figuring out what we were doing, what the possible strategy is today. I'm into some active trading soon. We may jump SoFi pre-market. I'm not sure yet. It's not really doing what I want it to do, though. It's kind of chilling right now. And I'd say a lot of other people are in my same mindset of let's see what happens when the market opens off the good news, especially when the institutional investors get involved, as they bring volume and they bring lots of it. And that's basically what we're waiting for, some volume behind this. Oh, I'm sorry about the Warzone stream last night. I don't know, man. That new update, fuck, I don't know what it did. Hopefully it doesn't do that again. I was like, this is bullshit. It was unplayable. And then the fucking everything just died. The stream was like, fuck you. It said fuck you. What's this? Palantir's got some news here. What is this? Kathy Wood sees Palantir dominating enterprise AI. Wonders how Microsoft will manage massive disruption. Will Excel finally die? I don't know, man. Excel's been around for a hot fucking minute. Although AMD's trying to kill Intel for sure, though. I don't think they're quite up to par to compete with Nvidia. Oh, yeah, that was nuts, man. I was like, I wanted to fucking shoot some shit. What happened? I'm pissed off by it, dude. Like, I haven't played a video game in over 2 weeks, and I just wanted to let loose, play a little Warzone, drink a little beer, and all of a sudden it's like, nah, you ain't doing that tonight, motherfucker. You ain't doing that tonight. Oh, well. Oh. Oh. We're getting there. Oh, fucking eyeballs itching, bro. Eyeballs itching. So what we'll probably do, so probably get in a couple trades, set my stop loss and whatnot. Walk away, have a cigarette, come back, and then start sliding stops around. Especially if things are going our way, we'll move it from the initial stop to at least break even, and then I like to follow them to lock in profit if it's there. in case something happens. Or who knows, we might have a losing trade today. I'm due for a losing trade. I had a small loss yesterday, but I'm due for an actual proper loss. Because I've been on a pretty good win streak here the past few days. I'm due for a proper loss. Oh, come on, SoFi. It's just teasing me right now. It's just teasing me right now. This shit is bouncing. Just hanging out there, consolidation. Just hanging. Just hanging. Let's see if anything over here shaping up yet. Bunch of short positions. That's what's shaping up on moving on this heat list right there. Pre-market, a lot of things are done. So those green numbers you're seeing and those red are closed numbers, but underneath the little white ones are the pre-market numbers. And then once the market opens, the big ones will be the ones we're looking at. This little stock here, this is AGM Group, well, 13-cent penny stock. It has no business being up 175%. Must have been some kind of good news on it. But that was earlier. It's gonna, I would say, not do too much else today. I could be wrong. It could get another pot, but we're not fucking with those. We're gonna stick to our process here. 9 minutes, y'all. 9 minutes. Market open. See how things shake out, and then we'll know which direction we're fucking going. Because right now, looking at these charts, especially like this Tesla chart here in front of me, it's like, I don't really know what direction we're fucking about to go when the market opens. I mean, it could, because everything's real tight. There's no real heavy pre-market losses or no real heavy pre-market gains in these bigger stocks. Everything's real tight. Like we just don't know what we're doing yet. I know what Simi's doing. She's there fucking laying on the bed like a lazy hoe. Laying on the bed like I'm just getting a water, bro. She must have thought I had a bag of chips or something. Just a water. Lazy hoe. My dog is a lazy hoe. She needs to get a fucking job. Get a job, bitch. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Fuck you, bro. Oh, also, Liv, since you're here, how's the sound? Are we good? Looks like I got it about where it normally is. He's also, yeah, she blends in pretty good with that comforter. She honestly does. I mean, I can see her there because I know she's there. Alrighty. Tesla, we trying to come back? It's good. Okay. Are we trying to pop up here, Tesla? Looks like it. Looks like it. Hopefully that's just a little temporary thing there. I would say I'm going to venture to say Nvidia is probably going to be on a bearish run today. Same with Palantir. Apple's kind of down. Amazon's pretty down. Intel's down. All the shit I normally trade is on the down. So we're doing shorts likely. Robinhood's up. Their stock's up a little bit. Very choppy though. Oh my God, that's choppy looking. Jesus. Oh, we say it's up, and also this big ass red candle. Yeah, she can blend in pretty good there. She's not moving. Excuse me. Spotify's taking a big old shit right now. Hello. Hello. Coke's up a little bit. Mm, Super Micro's down, which kind of sucks. I like trading that one. Taiwan Semiconductor is up a little bit, but I think that's because they beat earnings. Was it yesterday? This might be our outlier for semiconductors today. What to keep that one in mind. Like I said, usually Palantir is the outlier whenever semis are going down, but it doesn't look like it today. I tell Palantir very defiant. It's like, nah, man, I want to go anyway. The hell? There's some thumping going on downstairs or something, man. All right, we've got 4 minutes here, y'all. About 4 minutes. We'll see what the hell's going on here. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Everything's now turned gray. Moo is well, it's resetting. It's resetting. It does this about 5 minutes before all those yesterday's close numbers they go away. I don't like the look of that candle. Oh, never mind. Shaping up good there. Okay. So what were we mainly watching for trade the bull? I think was Tesla, at least for a long. And then what was it? Taiwan Semiconductor all the way down here. There it is. Those are some nice candles there. This could be one to jump in on. So we'll be watching it today. Do, 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 do. Intel's gaining back some of its loss there. Hey, are we gonna get a turnaround here? Intel's a good stock to trade, man. It's perfect for the size of the trade the pull account because of its price, which means you can get a lot of shares of it or a decent number of shares of it compared to something like, you know, Palantir or heaven forbid, like Meta. Could only get I couldn't even get 10 shares of Meta as expensive as it is. All right, so I think we're going to watch SoFi here on Robinhood. That's going to be our first target, I think. I think that's our first target. If it does what I thought, if it does what I think it's going to do, this is where we're going most likely first. And secondary is going to be over here in the trade the pool evaluation. Let's see if we can hit 90% accuracy on there today. I'm at 89. Let's just see if we can hit 90. Although, like I said, I am due for a loss in either one of these accounts. I got a tiny loss yesterday in this account, in the Robinhood account, but we could also bring up a spot real quick and see what it's doing. I'll give us a good overview. Spot actually looks a little bit down pre-market, but that could have been a bottom right there. So spot tracks the S&P 500. There's a doji right there. Okay, we might get a bounce from the overall market. I'll take it. All right, we open, and here's what I'm talking about. Live these huge fucking candles that Early pre-market just craziness right there, where nothing wants to know what it's doing. And shit just goes a little bit wild. Tesla's on the tank, Nvidia's on the tank, SoFi is on the up. Let's get it, man. There we go. Let's get in SoFi. That's a nice green candle right there. A lot of indecision there too. All right, let's go ahead and set up our buy order, and then we'll just go for it whenever I get a little bit more confirmation. Let's go for, we have enough for 10 shares. We do not. We're going to go for like 8 or 7. There's a red candle. Oh, yep. Tesla, what are you up to over here? All right, let's get off of Moo so you can see Robinhood over here. Waiting for you to pop up, please. A little bit of confirmation here before I do anything. Okay, I'll take it. With that bottoming tail, I'll take it. Let's go. Let's set a stop down here. All right. The stop loss set below that previous dip there. Let it run for a minute. Let's get over here into trade the pool now. Let's see. Tesla, Nvidia. Tesla's on the up. Palantir's actually try. I told you Palantir could be fucking defiant. What's Intel up to? Taking a shit. Intel's taking a shit. Let's have a look, see what Palantir's up to over here. I love Palantir and its fucking defiance of the rest of what is going on all the fucking time. Semiconductors go down, it says no. Oh fuck, I need to actually put the ticker in there, not the whole name. There we go. All right, Palantir, what you about to do, bro? Show me some confirmation. We'll go ahead and play. We'll plan a 20 share trade on that. With a 50 ticks. No, not 50 tick stop loss. We'll give it a minute to give us some confirmation. This one's weird. It's hard to zoom in on this one. Look at a nice green candle shaping up there. We're doing amazing on this SoFi trade in the Robinhood account so far. We get a little bit more. We're up. I'll have to blow that up so I can see. We're up $1 on it already, and for our trade. So we'll let it run for a minute. Let's go over here to trade the pool. See what's up over here with Palantir. Are we on the 1 minute chart? Oh no, we're on the 15-minute chart. We'll be on the 1 minute chart. Well, that 15's looking good. All right, Palantir, what are we doing, bro? Is this a micro pullback or is this a real pullback? If this is a micro pullback, I want to buy it. We'll watch you for a minute, Palantir. We'll watch you for a minute. It's not quite sure what she's doing yet. It's a lot of selling pressure right there. You guys can't see the order book, but I can see it off to the right. Oh, I know, Moo Moo. That's my price alerts for some stocks I'm watching for swing trades. Hmm. Well, Palantir tried to take off. Didn't work, did it, bro? What's Intel? Let's check Intel out. We can come back to Palantir in a minute. I'll just bring up the other workstation here. Intel up here. We might short Intel. Let's see what it does. Again, right now everything's indecisive as hell. SoFi looking good though. Check out, hold on, check out SoFi right now. It's fucking just going. They'll pull back, but it's wanting to go. I imagine this one will do pretty good for us today. We're gonna slow burn it and let it run as much as we can. Oh, oh, that's odd. Went to the other, and it just wants to stay on. That's weird. Okay. Anyway, all right, Palantir, what we doing, bro? We selling off? It looks like we're going to try to sell off. Let's check the Intel out here in this window. INTC, indecisive as shit. Very indecisive. So a lot of things are. What we got going on? Taiwan Semiconductor. What are you up to, bro? Oops. Yeah, everything look very indecisive right now. I don't see anything that makes me say get in this trade. At least not on those. Mhm. It might be worth going short on Palantir. Let's bring it back up. Seems to have the most volume behind it. He's got a fucking shit ton going on. Need confirmation here, man. Like, I need a negative MACD would be great. Do-do-do-do. Liv, you still here with me? Oh yeah, thank you, honey. Chiggy Holdings. What is that? It's like a Chinese company. So look at Palantir so fucking indecisive right now. It popped up. They don't try to sell off. Now it's trying to pop up. There's no clean entries here on the 1 minute chart. I'm not looking to do scalp trades in this account. Looking for bullish continuations and breakouts, basically. I'm also live. I'm looking watching home movie here in the background to see if anything catches my eye. Well, see, Hims is trying to pop up out of where it's been stuck. I didn't think that was going to be worth fucking with. But Palantir is also trying to pop up out of where it's been stuck, so it's likely a market wide sentiment right now. I wanted to go ahead and get a trade set here on Trade the Pool because that was the plan, was to get a couple trades in motion and go smoke. We can get SoFi over here on Robinhood to go up a bit more. We'll slide the stop up to break even. I won't slide it up yet because we might get stopped out if I do. So it's kind of bouncing a little bit. Palantir, you gotta stop fucking playing with me, bro. You got to make up your fucking mind, dude. This could potentially be a slide starting here, though. So we've got a lower low there, we've got a lower high there. Could make a lower low, and if it does, that'll be some confirmation for me that this is going to start sinking throughout the day. Or, well, that trade's doing pretty good so far. It's kind of what I was wanting out of it, was to put a slow burn, I'll move it over there a little bit and see what's going on there with. We can tighten up our loss here a little bit. We can't take it to break even yet. It's too close to that 50 EMA. Break even's right there. We got in at 14.19. Siri, did you just? Oh, the dog's throwing up. Fantastic. Shit. Simper, you okay, dude? I was just a little bit, but are you Tommy a little upset, bro? There we go. You got it. You got it. Just a little, and it was just liquidy, like maybe she drank water too fast. You're clumsy. What did you do, Liv? What are you doing over there? Palantir, what the fuck are you doing, man? This is fucking being weird. You okay, Sammy? You be all right. You be all right. Like Palantir just it just doesn't know where it's going. And that's the same sentiment in a lot of things I'm watching. Like they just don't know where the fuck they're going, basically. Like Nvidia's now on a bull run. Hold up, Nvidia might be worth getting in. Nvidia definitely might be worth getting in. Let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna 20 shares with our 50 stop loss. We'll just buy the market. There we go. We're in that one. And hopefully that'll hold for a minute. Because I've really got to pee. And I'd really like a cigarette. So we can't do any worse than we stop out of it. But I think Nvidia's about to take a bull run. I mean, it kind of already is. We're up. We got a little nice bounce there back out of that support level. Right there. You see it, Liv? And then, yeah, yeah. See, that's what we like. Green candle, bottoming tail. Even the red candle with the bottoming tail is fine because that's sellers or that's buyers pushing the price up. Okay, step away time for me, guys. We got our stops set. We got our trades going on. Because I gotta pee and I want to get a cigarette real quick. So I will be back. Liv, if anybody new comes in, just tell them hi. Tell them I'll be right back. That's it. Hang tight. All right, back. I'm back. Oh no, SoFi's sinking on us. It's still good ways away from our stop, though. I think we're good. I was watching our Palantir trade outside, or sorry, our Nvidia trade outside. I saw it get real close to our stop. I was like, oh no, oh no. I said I am due for a loss though, so it could happen. It could happen. Do. What's that 5 minute chart look like? Oh, that's a 1 minute. What's a 5 minute up here? Still look pretty solid on that 5 minute chart. Sim, it's just Kayla, man. It's just the housekeeper. You know her. Chill out. She's sweeping the fucking hallway. Chill. Yeah, I was watching it because a lot of here the past few days, what's been happening is I'll put my phone down or something for a minute, or I'll walk away for a minute, and the price action will go way up. Oh, yep, we got a loss on Nvidia. Oh well, it happens. Bummer. Told you I was due for a loss. It was only a $10 loss. Like it was controlled. So I'm good with that. So Intel, I noticed was doing something there a minute ago. We will definitely let it shit. Yeah, Intel had actually started to break out a little bit. So we'll watch it for a minute. I'm not gonna rush it with that MACD closing, that's for sure. And we got stopped out of SoFi as well. Damn, I don't know what's happened in the market, but we get stopped out of SoFi as well. That sucks. Bummer. So we're not getting any more trades in Robinhood right now because that's a cash account. Unless I add more cash to it, which I don't. It's all right. It's all right. So we'll be focusing on the trade the pool account. That loss in Robinhood for the size of the account that kind of stung. Kind of stung. That's $2 loss in that account. That's a pretty hefty loss in an account. It was $150. All right, so what are we doing here, Intel? So let's just check the heat map and see what else is going on. But if we're not going to chase. We'll just take a breather, see what's going on. I'll show it to you guys. On heat map here. NVIDIA, oddly enough, after we stopped out, it bounced back. Maybe I should just set my stop a little looser on it. Still not where I would get in on it again, though. MACD's like flirting with closed and open there. Could have shorted him's pretty good. Microsoft is on the up. It's an expensive stock, though. It's a little bit out of the price range I was working with. Well, man, the market cooled off real quick there, didn't it? Everything is giving back a lot of its gains. Tesla's kind of sad because it was way up pre-market off some good news about tariffs, and now it's kind of, eh, I don't know, man. I just ain't feeling anything right now. We're just gonna hang out for a minute. Just gonna hang out for a minute here. Let things sell off. Let things chill. So while we're here, what should I eat for lunch? What should I eat for lunch? That's my big question. I'm starting to get a little hungry. I mean, it's only 10 o'clock, but yeah, I'm starting to get a little hungry. All right, Intel, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? We finding support on that 20? Or are we selling? We're selling. Maybe. Do, 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 do. So we'll watch for now is Intel and see what it does. Intel was really nice to me yesterday. I'll take some more of that. I would definitely take some more of that. I'm wondering if our stock got cannibalized by a bunch of fucking institutional investors. It might have. There's probably other people that had a similar stop loss there. I should have set it a tiny bit lower. Yeah, well, shit happens. Let's talk about the SoFi trade that we lost there. Do, 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 do. Intel might be giving us something here in a minute. It's trying to, at least. That high button be annoying as hell. Well, you haven't accidentally hit it yet. Look at Nvidia fucking popping back up. See, I knew that motherfucker was going to run. We just didn't have her stop in the right place. Look, this is fucked up, man. Look at Nvidia right there. Like, fuck you, frick. He lost. You lost. Fuck you, Nvidia. Fucking prick. I wonder if you can turn that off, Liv. I wonder if you can turn that shit off. Let's hot new man. Let's just focus in on Nvidia here for a minute. We might get back in this. We need a bigger stop though. Bigger stop though if we do. We'll put our stop all the way down here. Tighten it up if we need to. All right, let's give Nvidia one more go here. If I lose one more trade, I'm done for the day. That's or at least for a good while. Mm. Also, I don't want to forget about Intel. Could be a solid trade if it's shaping up for something. It's not at the moment. Nvidia is trying. But we're not going to jump the gun on it. It's Palantir up too. Palantir looking oddly similar to Nvidia. A bit more chop though. A bit more chop in the price action. So Palantir, You can't see it on your screen because I'm on Moo here, but it's kissing 115 as resistance. It needs to break that for me to do shit with it. Nvidia, I don't know what resistance is on Nvidia. Let me scroll the chart over a little bit, maybe. It doesn't really have any for a while. Like nothing recent enough that's relevant to us. Fuck you, Nvidia. That's all right. They do that sometimes, though. And usually it's just an error of maybe I set my stop loss a little too tight and I should loosen it up some. Counter's playing with that 115 resistance there. It's got to break that before I can do anything with it. Intel seems to be in slight sell-off mode at the moment. We'll keep an eye on Nvidia mostly right now, I think. So unfortunately, the one that just took our fucking money is the one that's looking the most promising. So if we can catch a red candle on it, set our stop a little bit, not quite as tight, because it does seem to be wanting to run up. We might catch a red candle. We might have to get on this green one here if we want to get an okay price. Let's let this candle close and see what happens before I hit that fucking button. I love that lid. Fuck you, NVIDIA. Now let me move this chart back over. We can see it better. We're getting a red. All right, we're gonna loosen up our stop loss a little bit here. Let's loosen it up all the way back to here. That's still well within our max risk per trade, but it gives it a little more room to swim if it's going to be real tight price action. It gives it more room to just breathe a little bit. I was pretty stingy on that last one, honestly, with the stop loss. So yeah, that's got a little more breathing room there. And obviously, if it looks like we need to bail out of it, we will totally bail out of it. We'll hit that close position button. And over here on the movie side, we got Intel flirting with its 2067 or so, 2065 maybe, flirting with its resistance. So it needs to break that to get along on it. Let's get over here, trade pool. Liv, what should I eat, homie? What should I eat? Fucking getting hungry. I might Hordash something. Hordash. It's only 10:08 though. I don't know what all I can get. I want lunch. Um, this is what I want. But what do I want? That is the big question. Any suggestions would be great. All right, so we seem to have on this little trend here been getting support around that 20 EMA. If it breaks through that, that could be bad news for us. Let's see where it goes though. Like I said, if we get one more loss, that'll be three in a row, and I'm done. I'm just as cool with cutting my losing streaks as I am with letting my winning streaks run. Hmm. And still thinking about food. I had McDonald's the other day. Chicken. Let's buy one, get one at Firehouse Subs. Hold up. Hold up. What do we got for buy one, get one here? See items. Hey, so you can get a buy one, get one meatball or buy one, get one hook and ladder. Now, are these footlongs or these? I assume they're footlongs because they're like 10, 12 bucks each. Ooh, smokehouse beef. There's a lot of them you can get buy one, get one. Pepperoni pizza melt. I want to get one mac and cheese as well. Hmm. Hmm. Might be getting some subs today, dude. We might be getting some subs. Dang, Liv. Dang, y'all. I don't know. This trade's starting a little sketch, but it could bounce. It could bounce. It's looking a little sketch though. Well, if I was to draw a trend line along these lows here, we would have cut through it for sure. What else we got here, DoorDash? Popeye's Chicken's got some 30% off deals. And Terra bread. What about Indian food, man? They don't open till 11:30. Damn. So let me browse the fucking menu for a minute, see what shit looks like, man. It's the freshman special. Hope it's Ronnie. Could actually go for like, ooh, those pocket noodles are fucking fantastic. I'm getting hungry over here, bro. I'm getting hungry over here. What were you thinking, Liv? Indian food? Freshman open until fucking 11. What about Bombay? They're fucking they open at 11. The other one opens at 11:30. The only problem is this Bombay Indian Grill is fucking expensive. I don't know if I want to go that rich today. Like they are expensive, dude. Maybe save that for a day when I'm got a little bit more money to work with and didn't just have two losing trades in a row. How about that? Even though the one's not real money because it's an evaluation, you know. Oh, fuck, Intel's on a run. It broke right through that resistance. I've been paying attention. So I don't know. When I change Windows, it seems to stay on the other one. Intel, what are you up to, bro? Watch out for a minute. We'll keep an eye on it. We've kind of missed our entry down there at the low. If we catch a little pullback or something, we'll take it. Let's go back over here to the active trade we're in. Which we've been in it a lot longer because it's stopped a lot looser this time. We'll give it some room to run here. Hmm. I don't know, man. About the best looking deal is this Firehouse Subs 2-for-1 deal. Like, that's a good fucking deal. Right, Liv? Yeah, the next day could be a little rough with the Indian food. It really can. It can make you regret your life choices real fucking quick when you get on that toilet and, well, you shitting out fucking fire. You know, fucking curry shits, dude. Let's see these buy one get ones here on this. I think we're going to do Firehouse subs, dude. Especially buy one get one big sub. Fucking yeah. So we can get a meatball. That looks good. Add cart. Oh, that's for the medium ones. What's the what about the large ones? Can you get it buy one get one? Geez, it's the large subs $21. Oh my God, that place expensive. Okay, you know what? Pass on that. Trying to stay cheap today. McDonald's is still serving breakfast. I'm not really, I don't want breakfast, man. Do I have to make another um source to catch that? Like that other window for trade the pool? Okay, yeah, the workstations are separate sources. I see now. There's Intel. Okay, now we got it. It needs to be down here and well, sized up like the other one. There we go. Now we can watch both of these. Also needs to be, kind of on the bottom so it's in order. So that's what Intel's been doing while we were dicking around trying to figure out what the fuck to eat. Damn, that Nvidia trade just fucking destroyed us, Liv. Motherfucker. Just take a step back for a minute, Brandon. The Ring of Fire, yeah. Hmm. I still don't know what I want to fucking eat. This is the tea shop. What is this little place? That looks like a club sound check. It's like a bistro kind of place here. It looks pretty good. Fancy as shit though. I don't trust any trades right now. Like I don't trust Intel at all after what just happened with Nvidia. I don't fucking trust it at all. Man, I haven't had the sheet shits in a while. I don't know if you guys have sheets down there, Lib, but yeah, I do like their fucking hot dogs with like cheese sauce and shit on there. It's pretty good. Sorry, guys. I'm just here looking at lunch options. I'm hungry. I have no fucking clue what I want. So that's an issue. Chicken sounds good. Chicken sounds good. Like on the 16-piece chicken meal at KFC is 60 fucking dollars now. Like what? I mean, obviously I'm not gonna buy a bucket of fucking chicken just for myself. That'd be fucking ridiculous. Oh, that would be ridiculous. I don't know, man. I have no idea what I want to eat. I just know I'm hungry, but I've no fucking clue what is actually speaking to me right now. Mexican? Dom Taco's got some buy one get one shit. What's their buy one get one shit? That's where I got that massive fucking burrito from that day, guys. The one I put on the other channel, Live. That came from Dom Taco. Buy one get one, so it's not anything I want to fuck with there. All right, Intel, what are we doing? I don't know if it's trying to sell off now or if it's going to pop back up. But we'll just chill for a minute here. But man, shoulder needed a fucking stretch, man. Popeye's got 6-piece boneless wings, which are basically chicken nuggets. And fries for 8.99. What was that ghost pepper chicken sandwich? Hold up, that looked good. That's one of those also. This is gonna make me regret it in the morning, probably. What kind of combos it out? I think chicken might be the way we're going, bro. I don't really have much for combos. Four-piece chicken, two-piece chicken and fries, and three-piece fries. That's all right, Lou. All right, we're just gonna let things play out here for the market, in the market for a minute. I very well may be done for the day because it's just not been very nice to me today. It's just not been very fucking nice to me. We'll let things play out for a minute. Maybe smoke me a cigarette. I think about rookie. All right, I got y'all. So we went with Panda Express for lunch. Tip and all, we're like $15. That's the kind of price point I was looking at there today. So they had a good deal on there. They called it a bigger plate. So, what are you doing, Intel? I'll be slowing down for a bit here. Gonna break above. It's probably a pretty hard resistance right there. It's been on a nice run though. I just don't want to accidentally get in at the end of a run before it makes it down, kind of like we did with Nvidia. Whoops. Whoops. Nvidia's just really having a rough time like gaining anything today. Like it gains and then it just gives it back. Gains and then it just gives it back. Same kind of with Palantir. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Mhm. So it's been roughly there, but it was there kind of. We just put that line right about across those lows that it's had. We got a little resistance up here. I'd like to see it bounce up out of that, but we're not getting it right now though. Not right now. I'm excited to eat. Y'all, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. She's be here in about 20 minutes. Chill out, stomach. Chill out. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. We could be coming into some early, or well, later morning consolidation here on Intel. We just broke the trend line I drew. Just broke it to the downside. Sorry about your situation now. This is a little random and weird. Pfizer's looking like it might do something here too. It's also again at the same kind of resistance level there, similar price to Intel as well. I assume that's you still hanging out with me, right, Liv? Somebody is. Thank you, Liv. All right, Intel, let's pick a direction here, bro. It's not about the most promising looking thing I'm seeing, other than on the other one here, we'll set up Pfizer because it was looking all right. Also been on a nice run. That's what Pfizer's been looking like here. Hmm. And Pfizer's definitely broken that previous resistance I was talking about. It's broken it by a good bit. Intel's struggling to get out of its resistance. I'm gonna go to red. What we doing here? I can see you. That could be a potential reversal right there. Gotta be careful with that. You gotta go. All right, Liv. Love you, man. I am gonna enjoy that fucking Panda Express. You fucking know it, homie. I'm gonna definitely enjoy it. Let's sit here and see if we might take another trade. I don't know yet. A lot of indecision going on here with Pfizer right now. Let's check out Intel also looks like it's consolidating. So Pfizer's a possibility. Nvidia's starting to look like a possible short. Ain't there yet, but it's looking like it, maybe. Do, 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 do. Yeah, Lil, I'm pretty hungry. Pretty hungry, man. It's on the way. It's on the way. Oh, Intel's still sideways as shit. Tesla been selling off all damn day, bro. The market's definitely mixed this morning at best, isn't it? What we got going on here? Hey, Mystical, what's up, man? Yeah, watching Pfizer and Intel right now. Took a couple losses there earlier, so taking my trip. I was just reading a little shit there, my bad. Taking my time, jumping back in anything. Because I'm solid. Anyway, how are you, hon? Good to see you. Doing well. Oh yeah. He's chilling. I'm waiting on food. I'm fucking hungry. Should be here in about 10 minutes, it says. Got some Chinese food coming, so hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. I was very indecisive like all morning over all the last hour. I was like, man, what do I want to eat? And I just couldn't figure it out. Because I was looking for something I could get a decent deal on, and I did. So there we go. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I was like, I don't want to eat, but I don't know what to eat. Don't fuck the bed up over there. So you fucked the bed up, bro. Mhm. Going over here on Intel, not a whole lot of anything going sideways. So we're just waiting right now. We're kind of waiting right now for setups to come to us. And Pfizer here just sitting in the land of indecision, chilling out. Do something, bro. One way or another. Come on. Or one way or the other. Hey, what's up, Iceberg? How are you, friend? You're just kind of chilling now on indecisiveness. On indecisiveness and low volume at the moment in a lot of these. I've got Moo over here up to just kind of run through the heat list and see what's doing what, but there's a lot of indecisiveness going on right now. If this one keeps it, because this was way up earlier. If this one keeps selling off today, we might try to short it. Look, actively looking for an entry on Intel and Pfizer right now. Intel keeps acting, or the Pfizer here keeps acting like it's going to not go anywhere. Then it's kind of wanting to go somewhere. Trying to figure out if we're going to slow burn up, or maybe I should get in and let it ride a little bit. What's a potential loss there? 23.95. Mm, Oop, let me do that. Sorry. You good? Hell yeah, Iceberg. I'm good. I'm hungry, man. I'm waiting for food. Should be here in a few minutes. Says it should be here like almost right now. Flip the Intel chart over and see. Oh, that's Pfizer. Hold on. Yeah, Intel's still just hanging out where it's been hanging out. Do, 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 do. Iceberg, you need seed suggestions for the new somebody oh no, that was you that sent me a seed, wasn't it? I sent you a invite to the because you have that new fucking Discord. I sent you an invite to the Discord server. But yeah, we're gonna look at that seed you were talking about. I had a feeling Pfizer was about to roll up there, and it did. It fucking did. When it was coming, I was like, this is not a good place to get in, man. Market is fucking choppy today, dude. Everything's choppy as hell. Order complete. Where the fuck did you put it? It says, hand it to me. I fucking hate it when they do that shit. I'm in the fucking tips. Read the fucking directions. Fuckers. It smells good, don't it, Sim? All right, we got food now. Hell yeah, I'll start feeling better now. I've been hungry. I'm like, I'm ready to eat something, bro. $10. What about food for 13 fucking dollars, man? Well, it's $11 because it's a little bit of a deal on it. Yeah, they couldn't even fit all three of the entrees in the plate. Just hang there. Excited about this black pepper chicken that's sitting on me. Really excited about this. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good, dude. You're right. They shove a lot of shit in that little box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Give it a minute, Sam. That's actually pretty fucking hot, like steaming hot. Yeah, I know it smells good. You don't know how to slow down and not burn the fuck out of your mouth though. I'm eating on this all fucking day. That's a lot of fucking food. Jesus Christ. Oh, let me get soy sauce open. All right, you want to try a piece of this chicken, Sammy? There. I ain't letting you eat it off my fucking fork, but I'll hand it to you. Please don't take my fingers off, bro. What do you think of that? Pretty good, huh? Sammy approves. Some of this chow mein here. That shit looks good. I might have to just kind of slide the laptop back there a little bit. Oh, maybe a little more. There we go. There we go. Sweet indeed. Good shit. Yo. Hmm. What are the broccoli beef? There ain't hardly any beef in it. Where's the broccoli? Oh yeah, mystical. Pretty good. I'm kind of glad I went with Chinese food, man. I'm pretty sure I ordered fried rice and they sent white rice. Oh well. Hmm. That sweet fire chicken's fucking fire. Try some try that. It's good. Okay, whatever. I'm glad you found a place, Mystical. I know you were getting a little bit worried about that. What's up, Palantir? What are we doing over here? Palantir's running a bit. Yeah, that's no fun when you're like worried about what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Well, I'm glad it worked out for you, bro. That's a big old fucking bite of noodles, dude. Palantir's kind of take a little bit of a run up here. I don't know how much steam it really has left though, 'cause there's resistance right there. Hmm. What about this? Some of you try some beef? Come here. I don't know why she didn't like the smell of that. Maybe it's because it smells sweet. But man, that shit's good. This is how it's been all morning, guys. It's so hard to find a fucking entry today. Like I said, I already had a couple losses. I'm not trying to rack up a bunch. So I'm gonna be very cautious about getting into any more trades. Mm. Well, guys, I think I might end the stream. The market's just not giving me much to work with right now. Like, it's just not. So, as I said, we had a couple losses, which I was due. I've been on a win streak for several days there. So they might jump off. Thank you guys that did tune in. I love you, man. We should do this more often. I do think we will. Iceberg, I don't know if you're still listening, bro, but we might go play on the server a little bit. I am off today, so we can do a Minecraft stream. That would actually be great. Anyway, love you guys. Take care.